Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify search UX with Algolia InstantSearch, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify search UX with Algolia InstantSearch, start by defining your goals for the user experience. Identify the key metrics you want to measure, such as speed, accuracy, and user satisfaction. Set up your Algolia account and create an index for your search data. Upload your dataset to Algolia, ensuring it's properly structured for optimal search performance. Once the data is indexed, integrate Algolia InstantSearch into your front-end application. Choose the appropriate InstantSearch library based on your technology stack. Begin by adding the necessary dependencies to your project. Next, initialize the InstantSearch instance with your Algolia API credentials. Configure the search parameters, including the index name and search client. Design your search interface, selecting components like search boxes, results displays, and filters. Implement search box functionality to capture user input in real time. Connect the search box to your InstantSearch instance to trigger searches as users type. Set up the results display to show relevant search results dynamically. Incorporate filters and facets to help users narrow down their search results. Test the interaction to ensure that results update smoothly and quickly. Collect feedback from real users to assess their experience. Review analytics and logs from Algolia to understand user engagement with search features. Adjust the search experience based on user feedback and performance metrics. Iterate on your design and features, continually refining the user experience. Finally, document your findings and improvements for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.